yes, man. I'm right here with my fam, man. Oh, yeah. So, guess what? We out here making sick, man. We told you. I got my fam. He gonna tell you about the good peanuts that he got. That is some of the best in the world, baby. Holla at it.
Believe it. We got that food truck coming next year, man. We got, next month. I'm talking about next year. We got we got the sneezing season boiled peanuts coming next month. Y'all get at it. We'll have it on my Instagram page, and y'all look me up now.
What's the Instagram page?
Sneezing season. You feel me? So we'll be coming out next month. We're gonna try to shoot for Valentine's Day.
Sure.
Hey, you missed the plug. You gotta say I got nuts.
Hey, we live in the building, man. We told you right here, man. And some people got some stuff going on, man. Y'all stay tuned. I promise you. We got a lot of stuff coming to y'all. Stay tuned. Let's go with the grub, man.